Namhlanje we are leaving South Africa. We are leaving Africa. Siyaphi siya la? Siyaphi siye Italy, siye Germany, siye Belgium. Iy'nkinga zisikhombaphi? eNorway, eDenmark? No. United Kingdom? No. We traveled all the way from Africa. eSouth Africa seza eIreland. Iy'nkinga zaqala eBelfast. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, there was a man and igama lakhe was uStephen. uStephen had the hustle. Uberentisa building yakhe. This is uHali Alodidi. Ungahleki. Ayihlekisi lento. Iy'nkinga zaqala ngomhla ka-8 June 2026. uStephen, who lives eBelfast, North Ireland, was attacked by uHadi Alodidi, who is a 30-year-old Sudanese asylum seeker. Basically, what happened is that uHadi Alodidi unalived uStephen. He took umese and used it to unalive uStephen in public, in front of Phango Abantu. This is where our story begins. eIreland, baphuma abantu baprotesta, bathi lento eyenzeke kuStephen wrong, and so the movement was born. Hlangana Ireland, abahambe. Just like in South Africa, we have March and March. Ireland, March yabo was born. It has a flag. I don't know the name, but it has a flag. And they are uniting. Basho one thing. Abahambe. People became angry. They already knew ukuthi immigration numbers had increased too quickly. We can't reabo. Asylum processing wasn't working. Some immigrants who committed serious crimes were not able to be processed ngoba phela they were illegal. We can't reabo. Angithi ama politicians were ignoring the issue. And then the protest began. Understand ukuthi abantu demanded the tighter border controls, deportation of illegal immigrants, tighter asylum rules, and accountability. They don't respect us. Abaham, they don't respect us. Abaham. Baphuma bantu, thousands, millions, beyemgaqweni to protest against illegal immigrants. Agcwele kwi-country yabo. Bethi abahambe. They hated the idea yokuthi kugcwele illegal immigrants. What does the movement want? Ifunani, stricter border controls, reduced immigration levels, faster deportation of people whose asylum claims are rejected, illegal immigrants, greater vetting for asylum applications, prioritizing housing and public services for Irish citizens, prioritizing housing and public services our country for Irish citizens. Yes, and greater local consultation before new accommodation centers. Banbani, everything has to be for Irish people first before we consider illegal immigrants. Abahambe, they don't respect us. Abahambe, they don't respect us.